Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Ginger and I do planner and crafting and hauls and beauty and just pretty much anything that I want to share. But anyways, today I am back with my monthly subscription package that arrived from Sugar Pop Fizz, and I am in the mystery, it's a mystery subscription, sticker subscription. So you get your little mystery foil mailer and the foiled headers. So it comes in a cute little package like this. And this is the header add-on that I get for May. So super cute. These are all different colors of headers. And let's look at the actual kit. So it looks like it may be like a space themed. Got some aliens. And then we have some pictures of ice cream, and then the, I guess this is space or the world. And then we have a sheet of boxes and deco. Kind of reminds me of the 80s. I really love the colors in this. Super bright and vibrant. Here's some foil, days of the week. And then your picture boxes. We get a little decal, vinyl decal. And then we get some little foiled bundles. So super cute. Let me put the light on these a little better. Lots of little aliens and stars. Some like little header overlays. And then these are the date dots. So super fun kit from Sugar Pop Fizz for the month of May. And if you want to see anything closer, I will take pictures of these and put them up on my Instagram. So stay tuned for that. But I hope that you have a wonderful end to your week. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.